Hey traders, what's up, man? Get this man an iron here. Okay, so today it's going to be quite an easy trade, and it was Oxy. And actually, Brendan just mentioned Oxy, the only oil name that's up today. And what was I thinking? Only short, right? I just have here, and again, it's on the sticky note today to go short. We're going to explain why we reversed it to the long and had quite a big win on the long side on this name. I am down on Oxy today, so we're just going to talk about how it traded out and what we did. There's oil, like 130, there's the high. This is just an oil with the current contract there, the J22. You're seeing it down today. Look at that monster number, down 12.5%. So we were completely right. When we came in today, oil was actually up here, man, like 119, 120-ish on the AM trade, and then it's just been a downward move all morning, then into the afternoon, which we are right now. We're actually at 2 p.m. Right now. So what did we come in thinking? Well, I mean, it was pretty simple. You know, Oxy was right here. This is a $50 level down here, so we shorted it early, and we're just like, you know what? With oil starting to trend down, I mean, even though we didn't get this whole move, you could see where we're coming from, 126, 127, and at the open of the day, we're roughly at like 117, 118. You can see this is where we were battling, so we're like, you know what? It has to go down, right? No, Oxy just continues its move up today. So it opens up down here, and then we're short, we're out, we're short again, we're out, and we just kept shorting this thing. We didn't start really, I mean, look, there's some positive trades here. Shorting, a little bit out there, get ripped off there. Then we go long here, get out, more shorts, get out, short, short, short. Eventually, I mean, in here it's okay. That's why we hover this. 53 to 54 started to work for us, started to get out a little bit. But look what happens. Look at a lot of these spikes, a lot of the volume spikes here, the ones that are standing out are to the buy side, which was very, very strange because as oil was just tanking here, Oxy just kept going up and we didn't believe it. At some point, we're like, enough is enough. And if you see this range here, this is yesterday. This is why it's choppy. This yesterday range here at 54.50, once that was broken, that was it. We said enough was enough, and we did take some chops, like we took some hits here. There's no doubt about that. We're negative on the name, but we make back like 2/3 of what we were down on the next play. Sometimes you have to be stubborn because you really believe in it, but once it started, and that's what we were doing here, but then once it just kept going up and it was like, oh my God, this thing is just so strong. We don't really have any strong down moves. Look at this, big spike up there, right? Here, not the down move is like one time. So we have to change our game. So we use this area right here. As soon as it takes out this 54.50, we go long, and it's out, out, out. So we actually get out here of about 60 to 70%, out at 55s. Remember, we're long at 54.50 on this breakdown here. Another bid there through. And then look where we're able to get out. We finally decide, you know what, we're going to hold this. We're going to see how far we can go. And then we do our normal strategy. The only thing is I probably should have reversed short. This is what it is. You let the stock barcode up here. So it's barcoding at that 58. Meanwhile, look what the stock is doing. Look what the underlying is doing. This is what the commodity is doing straight down. So we're like, huh? So this starts to pop up. We put our offer right there at the day's high. We're stubborn. Look, it already went up there. It came back down. This is right here. We're long, 54.50. 58.50, that's $4. Look at all these cuts we're taking, 20 cents, 30 cents, et cetera, right? But then you hold a little bit, and I wish it was the whole thing, but we hold a little bit to take that $4. So that was really, really key. Then we tried it again. We tried another short here on the 50 period break. That didn't work. We got out at 57. Again, a small cut. And that just what to show you. 56.50 out, 57, I think flat, maybe even a little bit before that. That's like a 40-cent hit again, right? And so, you know, take the long hit there, take the long win, the short hits, and then now you're barcoding again. This is actually setting up, in my opinion, to break through VWAP. That's what this blue is. You break through VWAP here, downside. As long as oil keeps this move, which is down to 107 now, down 13%, and Oxy has a 3% pin on it today. It's crazy to me, but hey, they like the name. Might have been better to short Chevron or XOM. We chose Occidental today, and I just learned a lot of lessons. It was, don't fight what's happening, just play the momentum. And today it was definitely strong here on Oxy, able to make it back, but that's what traders have to do. Do not be married to your positions.